Now, let's work on question 11 here. We want to use the graph to identify the x and y intercepts, or state that there is no x or y intercept. What's the meaning for intercept? The intersection between a line and the x-axis is called X-intercept. In this case, we have a line which intersects the x-axis at the point x equals 4. We know the coordinate for this point is 4, 0. So then the x-intercept is 4. So either third one choice here or the fourth choice here. Now, similarly, the intersection between a line and the y-intercept and the y-axis is called the y-intercept. In this case, here is 5, 6, 7, 8 is right here. So any points on the y which has x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate in this case is 8. So y coordinate is 8. So between third choice and the fourth choice, the fourth one has y-intercept 8. So this will be our choice. Keep in our mind any points on the x-axis which has y coordinate, the second coordinate 0. Any points on the y has the first coordinate or x coordinate is 0, and the y can be 0 or not 0. Okay. Sometimes a line intersects at origin. That's possible. So in this case, both x and y intercepts is 0. If there is a case. Actually, a lot of cases. Okay. Now, that was question 11. Now, let's see question 12. Question 12 is to find the x-intercept and y-intercept of the graph of the equation, and do not graph the equation. Previously, we have said x-intercept here has y-coordinate 0, because again, the second coordinate here is 0. And the x coordinate is 4. So 4, 0, this one. And then in this case, we need to find out x coordinate. So to find the x-intercept, let y be 0. In the equation, we have a y, so we let this y be 0. Then we have a negative 3x equals 3. Both sides divided by negative 3. Negative 3, negative 3 cancelled, so we have x equals 3 divided by negative 3, which is negative 1. So x is negative 1, the second coordinate, y, here is 0. So we have here either the second one or the third. Now, how about y-intercept? X-intercept, y-coordinate is 0. To find y-intercept, we let x be 0 in the equation. In the equation, we have a negative 3x plus y equals 3. Then if we let x be 0 here, negative 3 times 0, we got 0. So y is 3. So x is 0, y is 3. Then we have an X-intercept -1, Y-intercept 3. So -1, 3. Which one? -1, 3. The second one. Not -1, 0. Well, we say do not graph the equation, but with decimal, we too can graph it. So we see here, -3x plus y equals 3. So we do know this is our line, and we can see here is 0, 3. And as we see here is -1, 0. Comparing with what we found here, -1, 0 is this point, 0, 3 is this point. So we did find our intercept. Again, x is -1, y is 3. So this one, second one, is our choice. Now, question 13. Question 13 is we want to write the equation for the graph. Sounds difficult. Actually, it's easy. You see, for this line, every point on the line which has y coordinate is a constant. You see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is 4. If you have this point, then x coordinate will be 1. Y still is 4. If we have this point, x is 5. Y is still 4. Okay. So in this case, what is the equation? It's simply y equals 4. That's the one right here. See, the blue one. We may erase this one. That will be this equation. Okay. You may say, where does x go? X was indeed in the equation here. Where is that? You may write the equation in this way. Let me write it down for you. And it will be what? 0 times x plus y equals 4. 0 times anything, you get 0. But here, remember, in front of y is not 0. There is a coefficient y right here. That's why you have the equation looks like what? Looks like y equals 4. Okay? So which one is our choice here? The first one, y is 4. Well, this is horizontal direction, horizontal line. Then vertical line would be the same. You see right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here x is a constant, 2. Okay, so you can see, then we will choose what? X equals 2, the first one. And here you may write, if you want, x equals 2. X equals 2, not 4. So you will see 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. X equals 2. You may say, how about this point? You see? Let me type it. So I may type x. Let me use 2. Y is 3. Where's that point? It's right here. You may try the second point. X is always 2. You may try 5. You see, all the coordinates are on this line with x coordinate is a constant. Okay, you will try the third one. How about 2, negative 3? You see, that's right here. Okay, so for the vertical line x is a constant. That's the reason. In this case, x is 2. Now, question 15. Question 15 is about slope. What's the meaning for the slope? Let's first locate these 2 points. 3, 2, right here. We have 3, 2. That's right here. We may make the unit bigger. 3 is here, 2 is here. So if we click on that, 3, 2. And then 4, 6. We may do 4 and then 6. So you can see the red one. 4, 6 is right here. 4, 6. So then the rise over run, rise is how many? From here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So then it's really 6 minus 2. What is the run? Horizontal distance between those 2 points. Between 4 and 3 is 1. Okay, 4 minus 3 is 1. So really the rise over run is 6 minus 2 over 4 minus 3. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. So really the slope is just rise over run, which is 4. Here is the algebraic way. You see here. So rise, you do 6 minus 2. Okay. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. And the run is 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3. You're always using the ending point number, y minus y. Let's say you start from here to the red point. And then we'll be use 6 minus 2. If you use 6 minus 2, you must use 4 minus 3. You may use 2 minus 6, but you then need to use 3 minus 4. You get the same answer. For example, 2 minus 6 here. Then you should use 3 minus 4. This 3 minus this 4. Upstairs is negative 4. Downstairs is negative 1. You still get positive 4. Okay? And that will be our slope. Rise over run. Slope means what? It tells you how this line, how steep this line is. It's like climbing the mountain. Some line might be, very steep, and some line might be a little bit flat in this way. Okay? So in this case, you can draw a line. Later on, I'll tell you how to find out this equation. But right now, that's the way to calculate the slope. All right? Okay, I'll see you next time.